Get rid of mice overnight without using pesticides. Have you ever opened the kitchen door and suddenly seen a mouse run across or gotten up in the middle of the night for a drink, only to open the door and catch them sneaking around the kitchen? Just one moment like that is enough to make you lose all sense of cleanliness and peace of mind, right? But the interesting thing is, there's an extremely simple method, no fuss required, that can deal with these uninvited guests very effectively, though not many people know about it. Stay until the end of the video because this tip could help you solve the problem quickly and easily right at home. First, you will need a bowl. We'll start by putting the laundry detergent into a small bowl. Any laundry detergent you have at home is fine. I'll use this one, but you can use any type. We'll add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent. If you want to double the recipe, if you're having a more serious problem, you can double the ingredients. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Now we'll add sugar. Any type of sugar is fine. You can use white granulated sugar, demerara sugar, or brown sugar. I'll use white sugar. I'll use 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you'll mix these 2 ingredients together thoroughly. After mixing it thoroughly, the next thing you need is toothpaste. I'll use this one, but you can use any type. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. This is the amount we'll add. Now you'll mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the laundry detergent and sugar mixture. You'll create a thick mixture, like a paste. Stir it well until it becomes a dense, smooth paste. After mixing it very well, the next thing you need is bread. I'll use this sliced bread, but you can use another type as well. It's best not to use bread that is too hard for this recipe. Then you'll take the mixture you just made and spread it on the bread like this. This is very effective at attracting mice, and not just mice, cockroaches are attracted to it as well. So how does it work? Pay attention. Mice will eat almost anything, and cockroaches are the same way. You'll place this mixture where mice usually pass through, where you've seen them or suspect they often appear, especially in places with a lot of mouse droppings. Place it there. After placing it there, you'll wait for the mice to come and eat it, and they will die immediately because the laundry detergent combined with the fluoride in the toothpaste will cause the mixture to harden in the mice's stomachs. It will not be able to digest it, so it will harden in the mice's stomachs and cause them to die without leaving any smell. It won't leave any trace behind. So they will die immediately without the need for poison, and it costs almost nothing. Give it a try. I'm sure this method will work for you. There is a common misconception that a clean house won't have mice, but in reality, mice can come from outside, from drains, or from neighboring homes. So this method helps deal with the problem early before it becomes serious. If you want a simpler recipe that is still highly effective, then follow this method. The first ingredient I'm going to add here is 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch. If you don't have flour or cornstarch, you can substitute it with chocolate powder and it will also work very well. We'll also add 1 tablespoon of sugar, either white sugar or brown sugar. Leave a comment with what you think and whether you've ever had problems with mice or rodents in your home. Next, I'll use 1 tablespoon of cement and mix everything well. I'm using a reused food tray to place the trap. So, we'll put this mixture wherever mice and rodents usually appear, whether in the kitchen, bedroom, or storage room. Anywhere there are mice and rodents, we'll place it there. It's best to always keep it away from children and pets. This mixture not only kills mice, but is also very effective at killing cockroaches. In today's video, I'll share a simple, easy-to-do, yet incredibly effective method to get rid of cockroaches. What's special is that we'll be using flour, something cockroaches love, to create a homemade recipe that's both economical and effectively solves the problem. If you're also having trouble with cockroaches, watch until the end of this video. Now, to make this recipe that can kill cockroaches in your house instantly, we'll first need flour. Yes, that's flour, okay? We'll use 2 tablespoons of flour. Next, you'll need baking powder. Yes, baking powder. It absolutely has to be baking powder. We'll use 1 tablespoon. I'll take a smaller spoonful here. Okay, 1 full spoonful of baking powder. Put it in here. Now you will mix this mixture thoroughly. Please tell me which country you're watching this video from so I can send you a very special hug. This is the recipe I use at home, and I decided to make this video because my house is cockroach-free. No matter how clean your house is, cockroaches can still crawl in through the drains, right? They can appear unexpectedly. And this formula works on both German cockroaches, the smaller kind, and larger sewer cockroaches, including the flying ones, those flying cockroaches. Therefore, mix thoroughly. After mixing, you'll now need the cement. Yes, cement. If you don't have any, buy some. You only need a very small amount. Look, a small spoon like this is enough. This formula is also very effective for killing rats. You'll understand why in a moment. Continue mixing thoroughly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After mixing thoroughly, what do you do next? You can use a piece of paper or small plates. But those have to be discs you no longer use. Alternatively, you can also use small aluminum foil bowls. What will you do? You will take some of this mixture and put it here. I will divide it into 2 parts. Because this recipe yields quite a lot of finished products. What will happen? Cockroaches and rats will eat everything. Anything you put out there, they'll eat. When a cockroach comes here and eats this mixture, it will consume it as if it were normal food. But what will happen is, because of the baking powder and cement, this mixture will harden in the cockroach's stomach. Cockroaches and mice are both small in size and have very fast digestive systems. This mixture will turn into a rock-hard mass in their intestines, in their stomachs. They will be unable to digest it and will eventually die immediately. Thus, in a way that doesn't require the use of poison, you can get rid of cockroaches and mice from your home. You can place this mixture in corners of the house, in the yard, for those with plants, or in the kitchen in hidden corners. This mixture is not harmful to dogs and cats because its smell is not attractive to them. For dogs and cats, which have a more sensitive sense of smell, this scent doesn't appeal to them. Getting rid of mice with dish soap and water is a simple trick that works very quickly. You only need to mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dish soap with 500 milliliters of water. Stir gently, then pour it into a spray bottle. If you don't have dish soap, you can also use soap instead. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add a few drops of peppermint or lemon essential oil to the solution to help repel mice and prevent them from coming back. When you notice them, you should spray the areas where mice usually hide, such as kitchen corners, cabinet gaps, or near drains, especially at night when mice are most active. If you see them appear, spray directly onto the areas where they move, especially along their paths. After just a few seconds, the mice will be driven away quickly. The principle behind this method is that the smell of dish soap and essential oil makes mice uncomfortable and causes them to avoid that area. However, this method only works as a temporary mouse repellent and cannot completely solve the problem if used alone. Therefore, you should clean your home regularly and keep the space dry and tidy for long-term effectiveness. If you found this tip helpful and want to try it, please leave a comment, like, and share the video so more people can see it. I hope this little tip will be useful in your daily life. Thank you for watching the video. I've also prepared another video that is very popular right now. You'll definitely find it interesting too. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.